Do you like superheroes? Are you into Marvel superheroes? Do you have your favorite superhero? Have you ever wondered if they have their own Chinese nicknames? Maybe you do, or maybe you haven't heard of this. But are you curious to know how? Or are you curious to know what are they? If you do, stay with me until the end of this video, because let's go back to bring out our inner child here in this video, and also to kind of really know and curious what are their Chinese nicknames in China. So let's go. 蜘蛛侠. Do you know who it is? Spider-Man. 钢铁侠, which is Iron Man. Do you like Iron Man? 金刚狼. Wolverine.死侍. Deadpool. Let me know which one is your favorite superhero. So the next one is the guy that brings the hammer. 索尔. Thor. I will be so curious, what is your superhero? What is your superpower that you like? 奇异博士. Doctor Strange. Do you like Doctor Strange? This superhero brings a shield, a round shield. So his Chinese nickname is 美国队长, which means Captain America. So the next is one of my favorite, and he has just one weakness, which is like a green stone. If you know who he is 超人, Superman. So the next superhero is also known as Bruce Wayne. So I think you know who he is. And he is Batman. And his Chinese nickname is 蝙蝠侠. If you like water and a superhero that can swim with a superpower that is strong, that is Aquaman. 海王. Do you know Bruce Banner? Do you know who it is? He is 绿巨人. 绿 means green, and I think you know who he is, which is the Incredible Hulk. 闪电侠. Do you know who it is? He's the fastest guy. Within milliseconds, he can move anywhere, and he is the Flash. 闪电侠. That's his Chinese nickname. So we're here, and you might be thinking all superheroes that we have are all guys. So is cover 1, which is 升级女侠. She is one of the most strongest woman superhero, which is Wonder Woman. Here we are. So, who is your favorite superhero? Is your superhero in the list? Or he's not in the list? If he's not, let me know your comments below. Let me know who is your superhero that is in the list or not in the list, and I'll give you a challenge. Let me know why is your superhero the superhero that you choose or your favorite superhero? Is it because of their superpower? And which superpower do you like about them? And let's talk about this in our channel. And who knows, maybe we will create another video just about superhero. And we're going to relate it with Chinese. And Smart Chinese Learner, is this video giving value to you? If it does, give us a thumbs up. Or maybe you're simply just having fun with the video. Or maybe you're just curious and you wanted to learn more. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that subscriber bell button below so that you will get the first new videos every single week. And if you think this video is beneficial for someone that you know, don't forget, share a video to someone that wants to learn Chinese or they are curious about the Chinese language and culture. And I'll see you on my next video. 再见。